रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास ने शुक्रवार को मौद्रिक नीति समिति द्वारा लिए गए फैसलों की घोषणा की। उन्होंने कहा कि एमपीसी ने रेपो रेट में कोई बदलाव नहीं किया और उसे 4% पर ही रखा है। एमपीसी ने सर्वसम्मति से ये फैसला लिया है, यानी ग्राहकों को ईएमआई या लोन की ब्याज दरों पर नई राहत नहीं मिली है। उन्होंने कहा कि रिजर्व रेपो रेट को भी 3.35% पर स्थिर रखा गया है। आरबीआई ने अगली तिमाही के लिए जीडीपी ग्रोथ का अनुमान बढ़ाकर 0.10% कर दिया है। वहीं चौथी तिमाही के दौरान देश की जीडीपी ग्रोथ 0.70% रहने का अनुमान है। हालांकि पूरे वित्त वर्ष के लिए जीडीपी ग्रोथ -7.5% रह सकती है।
At the end of its deliberations, the MPC voted unanimously to leave the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. The marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate, and the bank rate remain unchanged at 4.25%. The reverse repo rate stands unchanged at 3.35%. The MPC was of the view that inflation is likely to remain elevated, with some relief in the winter months from prices of perishables and bumper Kharif arrivals. This constrains monetary policy at the current juncture from using the space available to act in support of growth. At the same time, the signs of recovery are far from being broad-based and are dependent on sustained policy support. Data that have become available for Q3 2021 confirm that the economy is recuperating faster than anticipated, and more sectors are joining the multi-speed upturn that I had highlighted in my statement in October. The recovery in rural demand is expected to strengthen further, while urban demand is gaining momentum as unlocking spurs activity and employment, especially for the labor displaced by COVID-19. These positive impulses are, however, clouded by a possible rise in infections in some parts of the country, prompting some local containment measures. At the same time, the recovery rate has crossed 94% and is rising, with considerable optimism on the successes in vaccine trials. Consumer confidence over the year ahead has also turned optimistic. Corporate results for Q2 2021 indicate that demand conditions are recovering and profit margins are rising on the back of cost saving on expenses, and debt servicing capacity has also gone up. Business assessment for manufacturing firms has entered the expansion zone in Q3 2021 after remaining in contraction in the last 2 quarters. Business expectations going forward into Q4 2021 are also rising. These factors into considerations, the real GDP growth for 2021 is projected at -7.5. I repeat, the real GDP growth for 2021 is projected at -7.5. And the breakup would be as follows. The first 2 quarters are already known, and for Q3 we are projecting plus 0.1%. And for Q4, we are projecting plus 0.7% in, as I said, in the Q4. So, in other words, the H2 is expected to show positive growth. And the projection for the H1 of next year, that is 2021, is projected at 21.9% to 6.5%.